In this tutorial, I will show you how to add 3D effect to video or image in Premiere Pro. So let's get on with it. To get started, go up to Effects and type down 3D. Grab the 3D effect and drop it over your layer. Then go up to the Effects Control panel, scroll down and find your basic 3D effect. From here, I'm gonna create keyframe onto swivel and tilt. Then I'll change the tilt value to -22 and also I'll change the swivel value up to 34. Then I'll move the cursor almost at the end of the layer and change the swivel value to -3. Next, I'll select all these keyframes, right click, ease in, right click again, and ease out. But to make the animation even better, I'll go up to scale, create a keyframe over here, so it can match the last basic 3D effect keyframe, then increase the value to 113. After that, I'm gonna move the cursor at the beginning, and then go down to 93 or 91. Also, I'll select those two keyframes, right click, ease in, right click, ease out. And when I play it, we've got this amazing 3D animation that you can add in Premiere Pro. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.